Just out here along the road. It's gonna be hard to see. Caught a beaver. Zipping around here. And he's curious. He's coming over to see what we're up to. Working on the dam. Yeah. What do you think, big fella? Might be 10 feet straight out, maybe 15 feet straight out, about 15 feet down. Fast little bugger, isn't he? Motoring. Look how green that water is. The slime, the mold or whatever you want to call on the bottom is. Oh, look at that. He's got a home in the bank there. But look at the hump in the middle. That's crazy. Yeah, that's the coolest little beaver lodge I've ever seen. Cool.